Hey everyone, welcome back. So my lady's come back and these are her nails after 4 weeks of wear. They have been a little bit battered, as you can see. So I'm going in with this medium safety bit from Nail Supplies, and it is the ceramic one. And this will be to remove the bulk and the design. So I'm using this on quite a high speed, making sure that I'm not going to leave it in the same place. And I know it looks like I'm going back and forth, but I'm actually lifting the file up every single time that I pull downwards. You don't want to saw a file and go back and forth. And you definitely want to keep moving around because you don't want to burn your clients. So I'm filing back down to just before the thin clear base, because again, I don't want to cause any damage with this e-file bit because it is medium coarse. So we don't want to cause any damage or any friction burns or anything like that. So I will remove the bulk and most of the design with this. On the thumb you can see that she snapped her nail and there is a big chunk of acrylic left. So what I am going to do is file this right back down and make sure it is completely flush to the natural nail and there's no lumps or ridges or walls of acrylic or anything like that. You also want to make sure that there's no lifting in any of the areas, which there was very minimal lifting, so I was really chuffed with that. Obviously just the condition of the nails weren't that great. So I then went in with my hand file and just removed the rest of the design and etched the nail plate, and now I am pushing back her cuticles with the cuticle pusher. And then I'm also going in with my Skittles bit also from Nail Supplies, and I'm just going around that cuticle area and sidewall area to remove any dead skin that has grown up onto that nail plate. I then went ahead and dehydrated all of the nails and fully cleaned them so we have a nice fresh clean surface to start working on. And then going to go in with 1 coat of CJP Acid Bond Primer and just start acrylic application. So the colour that I'm using here is Perfect Peach, and I'm just placing it at the cuticle and working that bead down, making sure that if it goes anywhere near the skin to remove it with your brush. Try not to get any product at all on any of the surrounding skin areas. If you leave it there, it will cause lifting, but not only that is, if you continuously touch the skin with the products, you can make your clients become allergic to them, so they can get something that's called contact dermatitis, and it's really not nice, and you absolutely don't want to be giving anyone any overexposure. So always be cautious with your brush, your monomer and your products. Today I'm using the big boy brush. On this nail I'm just going to apply Crystal Glass at the cuticle area and the infill area, and then I'm going to fix that corner of the nail. The rest of the nails are going to be Perfect Peach, so I'm just going to let you watch. I do complete some of them in the 1 bead method and cleaning up any areas that I need to, or adding any more little bits of acrylic if I need to. On this nail I was just a little bit far from the cuticle than I'd like, so I just went ahead and applied some more product in that area. I did do the thumb just Perfect Peach as well, I just didn't record it. Moving back to the ring finger, I'm going to do a wash of Perfect Peach over this nail just to give it the same colour flow that we have on the rest of the nails. I'm then double dipping into Milky Pink and Baby Pink, and I'm just going to create some small 3D roses, making sure they're really flat and small because I'm going to encapsulate these as well. Go ahead and do another one, and now I'm just placing some clear acrylic in some areas so that I can place some real dried flowers onto there. The flowers that I'm using I got from Chinty's Glitsy Glitters, and I will leave a link to them in the description box. So then when I'm happy with where all they are placed, I will go ahead and cap the entire nail in Crystal Glass. Then off camera I've filed, shaped and buffed all of the nails and cleaned away all the dust, and now I'm going in with my tack free top coat from CJP. I will then cure this in the lamp for 60 seconds and then apply cuticle oil, and then that will be the finished video. I really hope you've enjoyed watching. Poppy really hopes you've enjoyed watching too. We love you all, and we'll see you all again in our next one. Bye for now. Oh, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I would love it if you would.